In today's video, we are going to try $100 watercolors for coloring our drawing. But before that, we gotta make a sketch. So for that, I am using my new watercolor drawing paper because this paper can absorb a lot of water. First, I'm gonna draw a rough layout of my sketch and then give more detailings. Alright, here we go. Now that our sketch is ready, we can start inking it, and I'm using my new favorite brush inking pen to ink my drawing. Let's do this. And our drawing is ready to be colored. But before coloring, I'm gonna tape it from all the sides equally so that at the end we get a very nice and clean border. And now it's time to use my new watercolors. It's a set of 24 different colors with a brush and some palettes to make my own colors. All we need is some water and we are good to go. finally, it's time to remove the tapes. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. So that was my first ever proper watercolor drawing, and I am really happy with it, how it turned out. It was really satisfying to use watercolors, and I think I'm gonna use them more often for my future drawings as they are so fun to use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section, and subscribe if you haven't already for more awesome art videos in future. And I'll be back with a new video. Till then, see you later.